Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Messenger account. First of all, what you have to do is simply open your Facebook Messenger application on your phone. Once the app is opened, click on the menu which is on the bottom right corner. Click on menu and then you will see the settings icon or the settings option. Click on settings. Now scroll down all the way to the bottom of the page. You will see an option called see more in Account Center. Click on Account Center. Now this page will open, Meta Account Center. Now you have to find and select personal details. Click on it. Now on this page you will see account ownership and control option. Click on that option. Now you will see two more options, memorialization and deactivation or deletion. So if you select the deactivation or deletion option, you will see all the accounts that are signed in right now in your Messenger account. So you have to select the specific account that you want to deactivate right now. Select the account. Now it will ask you if you want to deactivate your profile, which is temporary, and also another option to delete your profile, which is permanently delete your profile. So you can select either option and click on continue. And after that, it will ask for your password. Enter your password and you have successfully deleted or deactivated your Messenger account. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.